DJM TV.
This issue of insecurity has been there with us and degenerating. We have lamented. We set up committees and we made recommendations. Up to now, Mr. President, the first report that you submitted to this Senate was not implemented. The second report was also not implemented. We have made several suggestions in this Senate, and nothing was done. Mr. President, you need to, and this Senate needs to move a step further to save this country. For the purpose of just emphasis, Mr. President, I want to read out section 14, which is popular, but for the purpose of this debate, which you graciously said we should exhaustively do it, I want to read section 14 of the Constitution. (14)(1). The Federal Republic of Nigeria shall be a state based on principles of democracy and social justice. It is hereby accordingly declared that A, sovereignty belongs to the people of Nigeria, from whom the government, through this Constitution, derives its power and authority. Then B, security and welfare of the people shall be the primary purpose of government. Distinguished colleagues, the government of Nigeria, the purpose for which we have this government is security and welfare of its citizens. We are just talking about the first leg of it, and that is security. We have not talked about the welfare in terms of humanitarian issues. Mr. President, before us is a budget of 13 trillion. And to the army, that we have their population as only 150 or thereabout, we are budgeting 27 billion for its capital. Yes, the figures, when you look at it, it's on the high side. Defense has over 800 billion. And more than 500 billion plus 100 billion for Operation Lafia Dole is for operational purpose. And that makes me to agree with my distinguished colleagues that there is the need to look at into this. You pay people and they don't have the arms. They don't have the ammunition. I can tell you authoritatively that up to now, people in the war front are sharing ammunition. Up to now, Mr. President, you went through Zabarmari, and I'm sure you have stopped at a checkpoint. You have seen our soldiers. If it is not that you are told that these are soldiers, you will not be able to, differentiate between them and Boko Haram, because they are not well kitted. Some of them have they don't have bulletproof vest. Some of them have no helmet. And let me tell you the truth about it. I've gone round to various formations with my colleagues here. I may be wrong, but I have not seen a Nigerian army or soldier holding a brand new AK-47. Brand new, no. When you see brand new AK-47, it's only in Abuja here, Brigade of Guards and all that. Mr. President.
DJM TV.
What you saw in Zabarmari and the figures given out, 43 they said, my distinguished senator, we were on ground yesterday before you came. The number they have is 67. But that is not even the end of it. They keep on picking farmers. You have seen how vast that land is. I'm saying this, my distinguished colleagues, because even if this is what we would do this year to bring peace to Nigeria, I think it's worth it, because that's the purpose of government. You have seen what is happening. We are just talking of Borno, which is more intense. In my local government, last year, we lost from the beginning of the farming season, because our people are proud people. They want to live their subsistence life. They want to go to their farms. In the process, by the end of the year, last year, we lost 53 people in their farms. This year, because soldiers took some measures, the death rate reduced to 22. This is for Goza alone. In Tr0uble, as I'm speaking to you, last week, the people came to me here in Abuja to beg me to contribute money so that they will pay the insurgents who say they must pay, if they want to go to their farm and pay, they must pay 1 million. They started gathering money so that they will allow them. 8 districts in Ubaskira now are under the influence of insurgents. In Sabongari, from Biu to Dambua, it's just about 50 kilometers. But Boko Haram, because of their audacity, have staged checkpoints. They will stay there, and you stop with your car, you drop money, and then you pass. In Magomeri, in other areas, it's like that. Mr. President, the most painful part of it is, I believe that the government, if government is serious, this insurgency can be brought to an end.
God go shower you with blessings for this month of December.
S play on the track.
God will follow you with grace and mercy. You not go use eye to see evil at all. Ay, 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 ay. You go shout for joy. Blessings follow you. Many blessings follow you. You not go use eye to see evil at all. Ay, 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 ay. You go shout for joy. Blessings follow you. Many blessings follow you. God go shower you with blessings for this month
S play on the track.
December. God go shower you with blessings for this month of December.
S play on the track.
God will follow you with grace and mercy. You not go use eye to see evil at all. Ay, 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 ay. You go shout for joy. Blessings follow you. Many blessings follow you. With grace and mercy, you not go use eye to see evil at all. Ay, 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 ay. You go shout for joy. Blessings follow you. Many blessings follow you. God go shower you with blessings for this month
S play on the track.
December.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.